So we will give this to my cousin. So let's check. So we got this. Then I'm gonna give this to my cousin. Okay, next. This one. This is the page. Wow, the page is pretty. Okay, next this. Oh, so this is mine. I think. Wait, where's this? Oh, I found her. Because that's for babies. Cutie marks. Okay, thank you for mine. I put mine here at the box. Wait, I got something. Wait. I got this Pinkie Pie. Like a plushie. It looks the same, right? The hair looks not the same, but this is her. Look at her tail. Her tail is not the same, but it's fine. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm gonna give this to my cousin. So bye. But wait. Tomorrow I'm going to my old house, and tomorrow then I'm gonna give this to her, and I'm going to my old house. Going to my old house, so that's why. It's near to Batangas City. It's near to Batangas City. Look guys, it's so very cute. And also, this is mine for the cover. That is mine, but this is not a book, okay? Inside, there's my books. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna give this to my cousin tomorrow. So, bye!